In the activity, we have seen that a force is acting on a block, and under the action of this force, the block gets displaced from position A to position B. Okay, and the displacement of the block is D. One thing is to be noted that the direction of displacement is in the direction of force. So this is the necessary condition for the work to be done by the force. That is, the displacement of the body must be in the direction of the application of the force. Okay, here the direction of displacement is in the direction of force. Okay, when this happened, then the work done by the force is equal to the magnitude of the force, means the value of the force. Okay, force multiplied by the displacement of the body in the direction of force. Okay, multiplied by the displacement of the body in the direction of force. Okay, so here this is the definition of the work done by the force, which is equal to the value of force or the magnitude of force acting on the body multiplied by the displacement of the body in the direction of force. Okay, this point is very important, that the displacement and force both must be in the same direction. Okay, symbolically we can write work done is equals to W is the symbol for work done by a force, is equals to the force, magnitude of force, multiplied by displacement in the direction of force. Okay, so this is the mathematical expression for the work done by the force. Okay, note it down.